blue rotation. Hoping to put together another nice run as they did earlier today. They came away with second in that division. Right on through they go. Yet another good run through that turn burn. Right up the hill she goes. And around the corner. And right back up the other side. Doing a nice job highlighting these changes on the little mare she calls Oakley. Alright, raise right down. Doing a nice entrance into the wagon wheel. Going right to work here. Got a little too fast there, but she's still got a whole lot of rope. She's just going to go ahead and show her what she can do on the outside. Hoping to get a few style points there, maybe. Doing it with a smile on her face and that. Alright, here she goes. Up to the ground side. Gonna park Oakley right where she wants her. Gonna slide right out on there. Take a quick seat. She's going to take advantage of the step that's provided there. There's nothing saying that they can't do that. Not a deduction for a skip there, and she's right back on Oakley. Looking to shake out that rope for a catch. Alright, here it comes. We're going to work with the rope. Alright, she's forming that man and she's off to the races. Alright, there's one, there's two. And she got all three. It's a great job, girl. Put herself together a nice time. Double number one. Double number two. And described herself as the wife of the trophy husband Shannon Washington, who also had a great one earlier today. And she is out through that